Alright, what's up guys? So I'm back at the skate park once again. Today is the day before A-Dog Day. It's really overcast, there's not much people here at all. I'll probably do a tour of the park just so you can see what's happening. Over on this side of the waterfront, it doesn't seem that bad. I do feel raindrops right now. Yeah, it's pretty dead here right now. That's not surprising in the slightest. Come around this corner here. Go down here. Little tiny grind. And then come back around here. So much stuff. Rain delay. Bummer. Yeah, it's still raining pretty consistently right now, and I'm now the only one at the park. I'm sitting here by myself now listening to music. Alright, so this is going to be the last update today here at the park. It doesn't seem to be stopping, it's pretty consistent, so I'm pretty bored just sitting here by myself. I'm just going to slowly make my way back. I'm just prolonging the inevitable with this rain. I might as well just get it done and over with. Alright, we're back at A-Dog today. A-Dog Day. All the attention set, the music. So it's raining again today. So we're all just hanging out. We just got here. I just rode in with Joey. So hopefully it stops sooner than later. So the clouds over by the waterfront don't look too bad, so I'm sure we're gonna be fine. We're just gonna be getting hit right now for the next half hour or so. Look at this. The music section. This rain better not fucking stick around. So I want to see this music section fucking light up. I mean, they're gonna light up anyway, but if it turns out to be better weather, which it looks like it is, it's gonna be a great day. I've never really seen a setup like that before. Got all the other tents setting up. Couple of big murals of A-Dog here. A-Dog Foundation, other tents. They're all setting up for the day. And you got the food truck, which I'm not sure what kind of food it is. What's up, bro? How are you?
How's it good?
Not too bad, you? What kind of food is this?
It's like, it looks like a mix of like burgers and like
Oh, sweet, okay.
pulled pork sandwiches I see. Asian zinc chicken sandwich.
It's got Master Shake on it, so it's gotta be a good food, huh?
Right?
Fuck yeah, dude.
Yeah, dude.
And we even got a puppy.
Yeah.
Alright, so hopefully, this rain should be set off soon. We'll see you guys in a bit. Just showed up. I can't believe that's been showed up. We're also saving the day.
Saving the day. Remember the memorial when Andy died? That fucking park, bro. How many days
Registration has begun. People have signed in, including me. Sign in. Get one of these koozies for the soft feeling. Bunch of hats. Got a bracelet. So I'm officially in. I'll show you my hat here in a second. This is the hat I chose. New Balance hat. Also got a koozie as well. Yeah! Yeah. I got it too. Yeah! Woo! Oh! Yeah, Christian. Yep. I doubled as a fucking board saver. Yep. Yeah. Nice. Woo. Yeah, Peter. Oh. Oh my God. Ah! Nice! Woo! Classic. They already gave out first, second, third, or they're giving it out. Oh, yeah, Colin! Yeah! Oh! Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Ah! Ah! Ziggy's camera. Ah! Oh no! Not the shades. Yeah! Oh my God, that's great. Yeah! Here comes the guy. There he is. Oh! Oh!
Yeah, Joe. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah! Woo! Yeah, Joey! Yeah! Nice! Yeah! Woo. Yeah! Alright, so just like last year, it started raining again at the tail end of A-Dog Day, but we still got work done. Didn't really get footage of me, but I got footage of everybody else, the event. I didn't really do too much out of the ordinary. I'll explain later. But yeah, with Joey, once again, we're heading back. So basically, on the stair set part, on the 3 set, I can't really do the stair set yet. I don't have confidence, so I had somebody give me a boost. and then I tried to early grab the bank, and apparently I got really close, but I wasn't quite to flat, which is what I was aiming for, because I want to eventually early grab off the top and then land to flat, so that I could start doing stair sets and shit. I didn't get it on camera because it was a little too difficult to do that. Just a lot going on and just too spontaneous of a moment to get the trick done. As you guys saw, they were doing tricks on that huge vert ramp, and I got a couple tricks on it myself, but again, I wasn't able to get it on camera. But it's nothing new that I did. It was shit that I knew that I could do already, and that's what I did. I did a kick turn, early grabbed a fakie, and oh yeah, I did a revert on one of the humps. But that's pretty much it. Just want to explain that, let you guys know why you didn't see me in today's video, or in this video. So hopefully that answers everybody's questions on that. So I'm home now, as you guys can see. I'm back, and I'm gonna end the video right here. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new for the latest content. Click like if you enjoyed, and you'll see me in the next one. Peace out, guys. Stay awesome.